Hello, how are you? How's it going? Hello, how are you? How's it going? Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is James Orton. I am at Mazda and BMW in Crystal Lake. Beautiful Crystal Lake, where we have some gems in our inventory. We just got another one. Now this is a gem because this does so well at offering you a high seating capacity, up to 7 here, and a large towing capacity. So this was a home run when you needed something as a family hauler, a fun family vacation vehicle that can fit everybody and tow the toys in back, whether it was a watercraft or a camper, made for easy entry into that space, and something newer with a lot of luxurious features. Some of those features being heated and cooled seats, not only for the front but the second row passengers, a heated steering wheel, all your safety equipment's here like blind spot monitoring and a 360 view camera, dual zone climate control, and you also have a decently powerful V6. Some more goods are the LED lighting, the 20-inch wheels, the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have wireless charging. Those were some features in 2021 that were a big deal, and if you go outside of Hyundai and Kia in a 7-passenger vehicle, you're going to be up towards the 55, 60, 65 area, even 70 for some of your more prestigious brands. This came in at $49,000 as an MSRP. So you can see the advantage of what you get here. It's packed full of goodies and things that people like in your car. What you don't get is the pedigree or the other quality that you can find in some of your other brands. You might give up some of those other features like heated and cooled seats for just a better built vehicle. So let's go over some of the bad. This is well over a 20-year-old engine that it's using. It's not noted as getting the better fuel economy like you can find in some of the other manufacturers. So this is from AI. 2021 Hyundai Palisade has had several reported issues, including brake fluid, air conditioning, occupancy alarm, and that's just some people not being used to the occupancy alarm. That's a newer vehicle, so that you don't leave somebody in the car. Some consumers have complained about an odor inside the cabin, which Hyundai traced to the imitation leather used for the headrests. Weird. Consumer reports, Hyundai Palisade reliability. Owner reported trouble spots: exhaust, steering and suspension, in-car electronics, engine, major body hardware, paint and trim, climate system, drive system. Now, if you Google any car, you can always find complaints about any car you want to. So I'll leave it up to you to do the research. I just give you the information. You have the hard part in choosing. This is from Reddit. Is anyone else beginning to hate their Palisade? Wish I would have seen the sub before I bought a Palisade. Anybody concerned about the old engine in the Palisade? Specifically, the 20 to 21 Palisade models were reportedly prone to excessive oil consumption. Okay. So original MSRP, we have this for you, the original window sticker and the actual original. This is from Carfax, which was a one owner, clean Carfax, no accidents and regular oil changes, which is good. 51,000 on this, but the original window sticker is on here too. I'm gonna use the paddle shifters through here because they offered them. I'm gonna see how good they are. Holding that gear, not auto upshifting. Not bad for pulling on the highway, but I think there's something extra that it needs if you're going to use this to pull a boat or a camper. Now it does have the automatic start stop, which you can shut off right here. Here's hill descent control, your view of the camera. Now when I put it into sport, of course your dash changes over here. Pretty nice. Now when you switch lanes, you have the turn signal stock give you a camera on either side. Kind of gimmicky, but kind of neat. Here's your 360. Some of my thoughts on the interior space is the material's okay. It could have been a little bit softer on the door, I guess, like some other manufacturers I know can do really well. Now this is interesting because you have your transmission here, okay, and I really don't like the push button stuff. But you have your start stop button here. So you have that there, and then this here, and then if you go to your parking brake, it's all the way over here. It just seems like they do so many other things good. Can we just get this all in one central location? The start stop button, parking brake, and the transmission all in one area. You know, I think the only thing it didn't have was massaging seats. Pretty nice. Well, that's my look at the 2021 Palisade. If you've got any information that you'd like to share or add to the Palisade story, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm always interested in finding out more about the products that we have. So this is my first time looking at it. It's decent, it does the job well. I would always purchase an extended warranty if you bought something used like this. Now this is under factory warranty still, so you've got about 8,000 miles of factory warranty left. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day, safe travels, and we'll see you on the next video.